Hello guys, today we'll be making chocolate oat cake. In a blender, add 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and 1 egg. Blend all together, then add again 1 egg and finally 1 tablespoon of freshly brewed coffee. Blend all together. Spray the ramekins with oil and add the batter. Add any chocolate for extra gooiness. Bake for 20 minutes at 180 Celsius. In a separate bowl, take 1/4 cup of cream and 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Mix still until well combined. Drizzle the chocolate over the cake and enjoy. Let me know what you think.
Subscribe to my channel now. Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.